Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make a very trending and effective natural fat cutter drink that helps to cut your belly fat. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a mug like this, add half teaspoon of sesame seeds. Black sesame seeds has a lot of health benefits such as it is rich in antioxidants, lowers blood pressure, has anti-cancer properties, promotes healthy hair and skin, aids to blood sugar control, relieves arthritis pain and lowers cholesterol levels. These black sesame seeds are a good source of healthy fats, protein, B vitamins, minerals, fiber, antioxidants and other beneficial plant compounds. Then to this add half teaspoon of fennel seeds. Fennel is high in nutrients such as fiber, vitamin C, calcium, iron, magnesium, potassium and manganese. It contains powerful plant compounds. It suppresses appetite and thus the calorie intake is reduced to a great extent. It is very good for your heart health. It also has cancer fighting properties. Then to this add 1 cardamom. Cardamom is a very healthy ingredient. It is high in antioxidants, contains cancer fighting properties, has anti-inflammatory properties, protects from chronic diseases, helps in digestion, treats bad breath and prevents cavities, has antibacterial effects, treats infection, improves breathing and oxygen use, lowers blood sugar levels, protects your livers and helps in weight loss. Then add 1 cup of hot water. The essence and benefits of the ingredients are getting extracted to the water. Cover and rest for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, open and check the ingredients are well soaked. Strain and add it to the same mug. Then add a tablespoon of lemon juice to the mug. Lemon boosts metabolism and thus helps in weight loss. Lemon also helps in reducing the calorie intake. Give it a good mix. Now a healthy and natural fat cutter drink is ready. Enjoy this drink right away for best results. You can consume this drink in an empty stomach to get the full benefits of the ingredients. This drink improves your metabolism and cut down the belly fat. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. This drink a day boosts your immunity. So do try this natural fat cutter drink at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.